So, yeah. Hi. So, basically, there's a few places you can get helicopters. I don't believe, I'm just gonna check real quick, but I don't believe you can get helicopters from, you can get a plane. I don't think you can get helicopters from here. Yeah, no. There's a few places, so I'm just gonna grab this car real quick. First is a police station. That's like the best place to get a helicopter. Go to the police station. If you don't happen to spawn near it, look for this badge thingy right here. It's like a police badge thing right there on the map. Stick a pin in it, and then the arrow will show you where to go to get to your pin. And when you get to your pin, just tells you if you get your destination. Anyway, over here, there's some stairs that lead to the roof. And there's a helicopter up here. It's kind of annoying to use, but basically you use this toggle right here and pull it up to go up, and then this right here to tilt either side. No clue why you would want to do that, but you can. This to go forward, you have to hold both of them up to go forward though. And then this to turn. You can technically use both of them to turn. I tend to do that more because it seems to work better. But yeah, and then if you want to go down, just hold this one down and it'll bring you right to the ground. And then other helicopters. Okay, then other helicopters are across the bridge at the airport. I mean, that's kind of a no-brainer, right? There's like two there. Go in here. Squeeze in between the gate and the guardhouse. Then you go this way. Turn right. Left, right, left, right, and then left right here. You'll see them. There's like a fire department one and a gray one. Anyway, then there's one more. It's not exactly a helicopter, but we're gonna include it as a helicopter. But this one you gotta be a little bit more risky for, because you'll get a 5-star wanted rating if you go after this one. So just beware of that before you head over this way. But if you wait, I'm gonna hold on for a second. There's the bridge right there. I'm coming around this corner here, and then there's a road here that I turn right onto. Oh shit. For some reason the cars like to be in the left lane, or the left side of the road, so the right side of the road. Maybe this game is a European game or something. I don't know. Anyway, go to the graveyard and turn right. Then you go through these buildings right here. Oops. And you go across this bridge. Now we have to start being careful. Because you'll notice there's a gate up here. And there's a sign on the gate that explicitly says, restricted area, no trespassing. Then there's an alien face, whatever that means. There's a bunch of crashed alien ships here. Anyway, you don't actually have to worry about anything until you get... You see I still have 0 stars. Until you get to this little compound right here. Once you enter this compound, you're gonna get 5 stars. So you really gotta be tricky. Oh hey! I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a blue helicopter right behind that guard, like right under where it says score 0. Right underneath there's a blue helicopter. See? Anyway, so there's a blue helicopter there too. But I mean, if you're already gonna go to the trouble of going into this compound here, you might as well get the better beefy one anyways. But yeah, so right there, see my one of those now. So yeah, right there, and the SWAT car's coming from the sky. Anyway, right there's a blue one, right? But like, if you're over here, I wouldn't even bother with that one. So right here though, get out of your car. Try not to get run over by him. Oh my god. Anyway. So, shoot. I'd rather not get arrested. Here, you go up these stairs, and here it is. In here, it's got the same controls as a regular helicopter. Oh, shoot. Shoot. No. And try not to blow yourself up like that. Anyway, that was my own fault. Is that my car? Yeah, the original driver got back in his driver's seat. Anyway. Yeah, so I think those are all the helicopters. Anyway, they're kind of hard to use. Anyway, there's also a plane over here if you're interested. Just like this random red plane here. Anyway, that's it.